Okay, and what's your name?
My name is God Give.
I beg your pardon?
God Give.
God give.
Yeah, God Give.
What do you mean God
So
give?
basically, in Pakistan, my mom and my dad and my brother and my sister, they call me Allah Dita. So in English, we say, I say God Give.
So your name's Aladita?
It's not Allah Dita, it's Allah Dita.
Yes, Aladita.
Yeah, not Allah Dita. So, okay, sir, can I go?
Yeah, you could go.
Yes, thank you, sir. So what's your name?
My name
Yes.
is PC Mori.
PC Mari.
Excuse me, what's so funny?
Sir, you PC Mari or me PC Mari?
What's that supposed to mean?
You PC Mari, me PC Mari. Yeah, sir, I like your name, PC Mari.
What a suspicious character. We need to keep an eye on this guy.